the rashes I had on my skin and dark spots caused by the rash disappeared in 3 days just by using this product. I was so shocked, and since then, than for me not to have it in my house, it's better I starve. I give it to my children, I give it to my husband, I give it to my dogs, my goats, the birds that fly. Everybody must use this oil because it's a must have. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and welcome if this is your first time of seeing my face. If you are a returning subscriber, you know how much I appreciate you. Thank you for always coming back to support your girl. It's always a pleasure to have you back on board. In today's video, I want to be talking about vitamin E, my testimony with vitamin C, my own review with vitamin E rather, what it does for the skin. In short, let's just dive right into it. But before we even get into it, if you are new here on this channel, I film skincare videos, I do product reviews, and I also own a skincare brand. If you love my skin and you would love to try any of my products, or you just want to support a sister, my details will be in the comment section below. Do well to send me a message. Now let's dive right into the video. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is an amazing ingredient. Some of you are just sleeping on vitamin E. You must have seen vitamin E in the list of ingredients in so many skincare products. That's because it delivers a lot to the skin. Now, vitamin E is an antioxidant, and just like vitamin C is another antioxidant. What do antioxidants do to the skin? They help to prevent your skin from aging. They help to boost collagen production. They help with your skin's not structure, your skin's texture. Yeah, that's the word. They help to improve your skin's texture, and so on and so forth. Now, vitamin E with me here, I have vitamin E oil. It comes in different forms. You have them in gels, in capsules, in oil form, in powder form, and so on and so forth. But vitamin E is vitamin E. So I have a little story about vitamin E. Some years back, I got a product from a skincare brand, and I'm not going to call the name. And after using the products, I realized that I had some breakouts on my skin. I was reacting to the product, not because the product was bad, but because I didn't choose the right product for my skin type. So I started having bumps on my skin, and I had vitamin E at home. I contacted the company, and the company told me, use vitamin E on your skin. And God so kind, I had it at home. I used vitamin E on my skin, and in the space of 3 days, all those bumps were gone. Now it brings me to the fact that vitamin E contains anti-inflammatory properties. So if you have inflammations on your skin, you have rashes, vitamin E is going to help you reduce those rashes. Vitamin E is a powerful anti-aging ingredient because it helps with cells regeneration. So it helps with fine lines, it helps with wrinkles, it helps to boost your collagen production, so it helps to firm the skin. Vitamin E is a powerful moisturizer. If you're battling with dry skin, eczema, psoriasis, vitamin E is a very good option for you. Vitamin E helps to ease or to facilitate the healing of wounds. Vitamin E helps to reduce the appearance of scars. Yes, vitamin E is very powerful in reducing stretch marks, the appearance of stretch marks. Yes, stretch marks is a scar. If you don't know, it is a scar. So vitamin E, because it has the potential to reduce scars, is a very, very powerful ingredient. You can apply on your stretch marks alongside other ingredients, and you will notice that your stretch marks will be reducing. Vitamin E, I already said, is a moisturizer. It helps with wrinkles, it helps with fine lines, it helps to ease dry skin, it helps to calm the skin. Now, we have vitamin E in capsules form, we have it in oil form, like I mentioned. Now, you might be asking, what type of vitamin E can I go for? Or is vitamin E going to suit my skin type? I'm dry skin, I'm oily skin. Now, vitamin C is good pretty much for all skin types. But like I always say, I have a sensitive skin, you have a sensitive skin. My skin chemistry is different from yours. I might use something on my sensitive skin and it doesn't react, and you use it and it reacts on your skin. So it's highly recommended that you do a patch test. And I've also come to understand that vitamin E sometimes can react to can cause breakouts. If you are oily, can cause breakouts, or if you are very sensitive, it can cause breakouts on your skin. So do a patch test to be sure that your skin can roll well with vitamin E. I have a bottle of vitamin E here with me. This is the oil. And when you are picking up your vitamin E, make sure you are getting a natural vitamin E. There are so many forms of vitamin E in the market, so many types. Some are not even pure vitamin E. Make sure you're getting pure vitamin E. And for you to know that it's pure vitamin E, it has a yellowish color, and then it's a bit sticky. It doesn't really have a fragrance, a smell to it. It's a bit sticky, and it moisturizes the skin. If you want to consume vitamin E, because some people consume it as supplements, it is very, very good. Very good. It's, of course, that is even going to work better than applying it on your skin. You can use vitamin E as well as a moisturizer. It can be your daily moisturizer. I apply vitamin E on my skin. I use it on my kids. My husband uses it. We all use vitamin E. I use it in formulating my skincare products because I've noticed that vitamin E is very, very important. Very, very, very beneficial to the skin. So if you have vitamin E anywhere in your house, or you've seen it online, or you don't know that it's good, today I'm telling you, take it from me. I've given you my testimony with vitamin E. It did amazing for my skin. It removed bumps on my skin. I mean red bumps on my skin in no time. So, with all that said, you can decide if you want to add vitamin C into your skincare routine or not. Now, you might be wondering, should I apply it on my face directly? I don't recommend, because it's sometimes known for clogging the pores. It can clog your pores and it will cause breakouts. So what I advise is you can mix it with your cream, your face cream. I've told you here on this channel how I've mixed it with face creams and I apply on my face. But always, like I say, do a patch test. Don't apply it on your face directly. But on your body, you can apply it directly and watch your skin. You can also mix it with lotions. You can mix it in whatever thing you want to mix it in, okay? You can use it to make even face mask and so on. So that's it for today's video. I don't want this video to be too long. I'll end it here. If you've used vitamin C in the past, vitamin E in the past, please leave a comment. Let me know how it worked for you. Are you going to be trying vitamin E, or you don't care about it? Or should I mind my business? I love you very much. Thank you for watching this video right up to this point. And if you enjoy it, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. And I will see you in my next video. See you. Bye.